I'm Dr. Lisa Sturdivant, Chief Economist at Bright MLS. Here at Bright, we recently completed a study with Drexel University that measures the benefits associated with listing a home on the MLS. This is the third year we've conducted the On MLS study, and we're excited to share our results. For this research, we examined more than 1 million home sales transactions taking place between 2019 and the first quarter of 2023. Using public records data, we identified true arm's length real estate transactions, excluding foreclosures and short sales, excluding multi-parcel sales or intra-family sales, and excluding really any other type of sale that wasn't a typical home sale. So then we're able to determine which homes were listed on Bright MLS and which homes were sold off MLS. Finally, we used statistical methods to compare sales prices of comparable homes that were listed on and sold off MLS. There are three main findings from this year's study. First, the vast majority of homes sold in the Mid-Atlantic are listed and marketed on the MLS. Furthermore, the share of transactions taking place on MLS has actually increased since the pandemic. Between 2019 and the first quarter of 2023, 84% of homes sold were listed on the MLS, and that share increased from 81% in 2019 to nearly 86% in 2022. Second, homes that are sold on the MLS bring the seller a higher price than comparable homes sold off MLS. So over the 2019 to 2023 time period, the on MLS price premium was 17.5%. And that on MLS premium has also increased over time, going from 13% in 2019 to more than 18% in 2022. And third, there is a significant benefit to sellers when they list and market their home on Bright MLS. In 2022, a seller listing their property on the MLS ended up bringing in a price that was nearly $54,000 more than a similar property sold off MLS. Now, while our study looked primarily at the benefits accruing to sellers, the MLS also provides important benefits to home buyers. When homes are listed on the MLS, prospective buyers are able to view and tour nearly all homes available for sale. They don't need to contact individual brokers to see different homes. The MLS makes the home buying process more convenient for buyers. And the MLS also plays a key role in advancing fair housing by ensuring that all prospective buyers can access full information about homes available for sale, as opposed to other systems that limit information about listings to certain networks of buyers. Check out our full study at brightmls.com.